doing?
We are great. So, Sonia, what made you decide to get our today's special?
Well, I like the way it's made and everything, and it looks like it's going to be light.
Yes.
I don't want a real heavy mixer.
I know. Sonia, did you see that comparison? I mean, we've all had those mixers that are like a car.
Yeah. I see that. That's what I like about it, too.
Absolutely.
It saves space and everything, you know?
So, Sonia, do you do a lot of baking? Are you going to use it for your meatloafs? Or I guess once you get it home, you're going to just experiment and have fun, I bet.
I'll experiment with it, different things.
Yes, you're going to love it. If you like to make meatballs or meatloaf, like you said, look, I didn't even dirty my hands. And again, lightweight. I have the same problems that you do, lower back pain, so we cannot lift heavy weight, and this is perfect for it.
Yes, and this isn't my first item. I bought your electric skillet also.
Yes, that's awesome. I love you, Sonia.
Thank you. Really. It comes in handy.
It does indeed. Yes. Well, Sonia, thank you so much for sharing the good word. Happy early Merry Christmas. Happy everything.
Yes.
All right. So if you want yours, now they are telling me the red is the most popular. I remind you, you are getting all of your bonus accessories. This has the same power. I repeat, the same power as that introductory Big K mixer. Only theirs sells for $100 to $150 more. Great things come in smaller packages because you are not compromising on the power. Remember, this full-size stand mixer with that patented design folds down like the Murphy bed of mixers. It literally does. It collapses on itself. It is. It's the Murphy bed of mixers. And not only that, it's easier than parallel parking to collapse the doggone thing. You don't need a special tool. You don't need a special widget. You don't need, you know, special instructions. I mean, literally one button, two button, one button, two button. And then, of course, it all has this beautiful storage case. But remember, we include the balloon whisks. We include the dough hooks. So you can do focaccias and your own pizzas. I mean, your own, you know, bagels, your own marshmallows, the traditional beaters, and you just pick your color of choice. All right, Trace, what do we got going on
Can I just tell you something, though? The marshmallows you would never do with a hand mixer.
No, you won't.
Never. You are not going to stand there for 15 minutes and hold a hand mixer.
No.
You've got to have a stand mixer. So with this stand mixer, you've got the power of a traditional stand mixer, but now you've got the portability of a hand mixer, which we absolutely love. So what I've got here is I've got some flank steak. And this is one of the recipes from the chef's new cookbook. And I'm going to add a little bit of salsa here and some seasoning. And this is one of the things that is perfect for a stand mixer to do. And it's actually shredding the meat. Yes. And I'm shredding the meat. And here's where you can see I'm controlling the bowl. If I wanted to, I could let it go and it would spin on its own.
This is powerful enough to shred meat.
Absolutely. You can see the steam. Can you see the steam coming off of this meat?
Oh, wow.
We just cooked the meat, and I'm controlling the bowl so that I can get it exactly where I want it and shred that meat to go into my arepas here that I have.
There you go. I love it, Tracy, arepas. And you know, you used to take a bag, put the meat inside, start banging on it, right, in order to break it, or you will burn your hands while you're breaking the meat. In this case, you just put it in your mixer. It's, you know, it stands alone, and you read it. First of all, no cross-contamination. You're not getting your hands dirty. Super lightweight. It does it all.
And everything will get broken up. You can control it so you can break it up so that it's nice and shredded meat.
So it's more precise. And that is no joke. We'll show you the comparison again. I was telling my producer, Matt, I look at as hand mixers basically as disposable. I have burned out more motors in hand mixers than I think I've had car accidents. And that's saying something. So, let me just say, that's a lot. So if you want the portability, the flexibility, but you want the power of that other mixer, you know, that, you know, MK, you know, that other special brand, and it's a great brand, but it sells for $100 to $150 more. $20 bill gets us at home. Remember, extended holiday return policy. So get this at home. Make your spritz cookies, make your challahs, make your breads, make your focaccias, make your homemade marshmallows, make your whoopie pies, or your divinity, or your baked Alaskas, or your fondant, any of your icing. You know, you can do anything with this, and you can't say that about a hand mixer. I mean, you would never make marshmallows with a hand mixer like Tracy was saying, and certainly we love the idea of the power of that other mixer, and I'll show you the comparison again, but as a reminder, this is a patented design. This becomes this. So this becomes this. And speaking of bowls, we were talking about that stainless steel mixing bowl. We have only 3,000 of these glass mixing bowls. But here's the thing, they're